Hey guys, welcome back to Serene Bookworks. Today I am sharing this boho gypsy journal that I made. Super fun. I really liked it. A few months ago it was my birthday, and April graciously PayPal'd me the funds to buy some really cool fabrics, and I had enough actually left over to buy some really fun, these are from India, some really fun embellishments also. So that's what I did, and I couldn't wait to use them, and I finally have that opportunity. And also I am using the Gypsy Abandon kit from IvyShutters, which is absolutely gorgeous. So this is a soft cover. It's an old file folder that I've covered with this placemat. Here's a placemat that I got at the thrift store that I washed, sewed it on. I think it looks great. And here we go. I'll just open her up. So I sewed that on, and then I also lined it with some more paper and some more material just to give it a little bit of sturdy. And right in the front there's some tags that I've used in this lace pocket with some Gecko Gals images and some scraps. So look at how gorgeous these images are from IvyShutters. I think they are so pretty and they're so happy. The colors are just fantastic. There's pinks and blues and purples and reds, and I just love them. So I was really excited to use those. Here's some more of the pretty embellishments that I got. This is from some Happy Mail from April that I got right as I was making this, so that's kind of cool. This is some lined paper from IvyShutters. And there's another gorgeous picture. I just love those. There's a little envelope. This is just some scraps that I made into a tag. There's another little card in there. These ladies are just beautiful. You get several pages, and then you also get a page or two of journaling cards and some envelopes in her kit. And there's some of that pretty fabric that I got for my birthday. This is some Gecko Gals. I just kind of collaged here. That's another scrap piece. There's some of that fabric. I got this ribbon stuff at Hobby Lobby on sale, and look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. I just love this kit. It's really pretty, and you could do so much with it, you know? So I really like how you can just kind of go free on these kinds of journals. This is, it was a card. It was, I think I put this on my Instagram. It was Winnie the Pooh playing card of some sort, and I just kind of jazzed it up with some bits and pieces, and now it's a journaling card. That was fun. And there's 3 of these. Let me see if I can get it in here. 3 beads that I made, boho beads. This is holding this tag in. There's some more of the embellishments. There's another scrap tag. This is Easter egg die paper. There's some more of that pretty embellishment. Some fabric. Oops. This beige, oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Look at that. All the colors. That turquoise, oh, so pretty. Fun fact, when I was printing these, she gives you lined paper as well, so you can print double-sided. and I forgot to set the settings on my printer, and so two pages printed upside down. You can't really tell right here, but you could on the other side, so I had to cover that up in a very creative way. This is some paper that, it was a page, and I think I did screw that page up too somehow or another. I did. But I just turned it into an envelope because they're really cute and I don't want to waste anything. There's some more of those Indian embellishments. Here's one of her envelopes. Isn't that cute? Really nice. This is some fabric that I got for my birthday. Here's another little bead. Some fun little things here. This is scrapbook paper that I've had for a while. This is another envelope. It's children. So cute. So cute. And there's another card that she has in her collection. So as you can see, you can really do a lot with this. And there's even some handsome gentlemen in here. Ugh, so pretty, so pretty. This is 2 signatures. There's 6 or 7, I want to say, pages in each signature. There's another one of my beads that I made. That one's really pretty. This is another page that screwed up, so I just lined it and turned it into another envelope. Because, you know, I don't throw anything away. Not when you can turn it into something pretty. I love this. I didn't do anything to these pages really because look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. They turned out so nice. And of course, when I was building this, I was watching April's tutorial on mixed media, and even though I didn't have anything at all set out, I kind of did a little bit on this one. Not my best work maybe, but it was a lot of fun, and it made for an interesting background. So, and there's another one of those Winnie the Pooh cards that I turned into a journal card. Just did some fun layering. There's some more really pretty embellishments there. There's another gorgeous page. Look at that one. Oh, yes. This is just some scraps that I had. This is the page that printed upside down, and there's a lady underneath here, and of course she's dancing on her head now. So I had to, first of all, I had to hit the camera. I had to turn that into a pocket, but it worked out, I think. And there's the end. Look at that. And I had some images left over. That's what that is. There we go. I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, this will be up in my Etsy shop soon. And I hope you guys all have a great day. Thanks for dropping by. And we will talk to you later. Bye.